I'm Donald Agent. I'm actually working for the Donald program. I'm the supervisor, and we started this project back on the 28th of July, and it's a 6-month project. And the project is actually to renovate and restore existing gardens around what's called the Helen's Cottage behind us, and that cottage is actually being restored as well. Basically loosen them up, put the top layer of soil, then rake them off to the side, and ready to take away in the wheelbarrow to the back tip. Alright? Alright, cool.
The grass wasn't thick enough around the edges.
Okay, and so basically what we've had to do is dig it out and redo it. This whole paving area has to be done in a certain way to suit what Montsalvat's all about, which is higgledy-piggledy paving, bits of stone, bits of brick, to create that unrandom sort of effect. And what we're actually doing is we're putting in some mulch after we actually plant these plants, because all these beds have been rejuvenated. We've started with quite a jungle, a wild jungle of weeds and old plants, and nowhere for new plants to grow. And the way we go about rejuvenating the soil is we put in good soil as well as a mulch mixture of mushroom mulch and pine bark, which ends up being a fantastic mulch. I anticipate it being quite a lengthy process because there's a lot of gardens here, a lot of restoring to do, and it's coming along very well, as you can see, and I'm looking forward to working at Montsalvat for a further 6 months.